We ain't playing today, we slaying today. Come on in here, set up. Hey y'all, hey, I'm getting ready to do something that I think is about to be so fly.
I'm thinking that ahead of time.
I am pre-prepared for this style right here to be fly. I know it's gonna be fly. We doing Bora Bora Braids. We doing Bora Bora Braids. Crochet style. Cause you know how I get down. Y'all, I found this hair and it's from Jaleesa now. You see that? Y'all know Jaleesa now? Well, they have human hair Bora Bora Braids crochet. And I decided. And a crochet hook. Thanks, Jaleesa. Ooh, it's got a nice weight. It's not skimpy, okay? Cause you know sometimes they get you. I'm just saying. And I got 24 inches. I know the tricks. Y'all, you. Right away, I noticed the quality of the hair. The actual loose hair. That is human hair. Y'all going on vacation and want some braids, but you still want to be able to come up out the water and have that wave sort of thing. Now, somebody did say in the reviews, once you can come up out the water, but then you're going to have to put a little wave wand or something in here because the waves might not stick beside you. Huh? You think they're going to stick beside, but you can braid it up at night. Bam. Just like you would do your own normal hair if you wanted waves in the morning. Just do that. Now, look at that though. Look how pretty that is. Jaleesa. I didn't know y'all was coming at it like that. That's real cute. Child, you supposed to go to the beach in this. You supposed to go to beach 6 with this. Yeah. You supposed to go to the amusement park or something where you can just, you know what I'm saying? You supposed to go to Cedar Point or something. See, because these will be in your head, depending on your installation. Now, I'm just doing individuals along the front and the sides with pride. Illusion boxes right here. And then these are all cornrows. You don't have to do that. You can do illusion boxes. Bam, cornrows. You can do all illusion boxes if you want to. You can do all cornrows if you want to. If you do all cornrows, make sure they're relatively close along the front so that it doesn't look super spacey, super gappy. You want to see a part because when you have braids, y'all, you do see parts. Sometimes we be doing the most in the community when it comes to crochet braids and parts. Folk be acting like you're not supposed to see a part, and I'll be like, that's not. When you get your hair individually braided, there are parts in the process, and you're supposed to see those things. Okay, I just want to make sure everybody's okay with that. If you see parts, you are off to a good start. Just don't have the space in between the parts be so wide, okay? Illusion boxes will give you literally the illusion of individuals.
You don't have to stress about this.
You don't have to stress. I saw something on Instagram that said crochet is back, and I said, where did it go? Huh? Where it go? Y'all be getting on this internet sitting up here now. I don't want to pull it too close over there because my coffee over there. These are small, so that means your illusion boxes are going to have to be small too, okay? You got to make them go together. You got to make them go together. Don't have a big old ignorant jumbo part like you about to put a jumbo Senegalese twist off up in there or something, okay? And then you getting ready to put this little piece in there. All you going to see is a big old box and this little piece of hair coming out the Small pieces, small boxes. Now do what you need to do for your hair. Like on my weak side, y'all know I got a weak side and I got a strong side. On my weaker side, right here, I just have one. I think I did just one regular cornrow instead of piecing it. I think I did that. I should have. Maybe I didn't. Sorry if I didn't. Sorry to that part. I should have. But yeah, y'all, I can already tell this is about to be super full. Oh, the difference between Bora Bora braids and boho braids, because these look like boho braids, right? Y'all probably like, girl, she swear she's Bora Bora braids. You just see more loose hair. Boho braids, you see more braid. You can still clearly see it's all braids. Bora Bora braids, if you look real quick, you may not even see a braid in there. Now, some of these braids are long, so you gonna see them. This for real is a little mix. It's Bora Bora mostly, but it got some boho in there. Honey, yeah, this is a mix. They had a couple different braiders doing these and then put it together in whichever fashion and said, ship it. Y'all, I'm about to install it. Oh. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. You know you want to do it. Go ahead and hit subscribe. We real close to 400K. I didn't even know that. Go ahead and hit the button. Y'all be over here. You might as well do it. Okay. Let's do this install.
Can't watching you go. I wanted to stop, though I already know it's the end of for you and me. Keep on saying the time will heal. Keep lying just to make me feel I'm not lonely. It's the end of for you and me. Keep on saying the time will heal. Baby, baby, you're kidding me. I just want you to hold me. Things ain't the same, and there's nobody here to blame. Oh, yeah. Baby, tell me if I'm wrong. Did we play this game for far too long? Far too long. Letting us down hurts me more than you know. The pain is so much, don't wanna be here alone. It's breaking my heart, letting you go. I want you to stop, but I already know. Make me feel I'm not lonely, no. Don't want you to go, but I know it's in. Hold me. Gotta go, baby, it's in. Gotta go, baby, it's in. Make me feel I'm not lonely. Just want you to hold me.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it.